Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're doing the chop challenge. That is right, you guys are asking what the heck is a chop challenge. So what we're doing is we are going to use 4 ingredients or less to make ourselves something or a meal using the Ninja Foodi Grill. It doesn't have to be the Ninja Foodi Grill, but the idea is to make a meal using 4 ingredients or less. And that's exactly what we did. We did lemon pepper chicken wings. It was 3 ingredients, you guys. Super easy. And technically you could do 2 and it's good to go. So this is the lemon pepper chicken wings we're going to be making today. You guys, they are delicious. They look amazing. They smell great. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes every single week on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. 2020 is the year, you guys, for the Ninja Foodi Grill. And check the links for check the description box for links on any of the items that I used today in the video. If you're interested in any of them, I'll have the links. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dive right into making these chicken wings, lemon pepper chicken wings in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Alright, so we're going to start with about 6 chicken wings, and I already have them in the bowl, and also some oil. This is the Evo oil sprayer, and I'll have the link for this below. It just makes it easier to spray the oil directly on. I have avocado oil. You can use grapeseed oil or any oil with the low smoking or with the high smoking point. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. So first we're going to go ahead and spray our chicken wings here. Let's rub. Make sure the oil gets all over every single one of them. Okay. Then we can take our seasoning. And this is to taste. So you don't have to use 2 tablespoons. You might say that's too much. But some people might say that's too little. So it's really preference. Just make sure you rub the seasoning really well onto all of the chicken wings. Okay. Just going to do it on both sides here. And you can do a little bit and then say, you know what, let's add some more, which is what I'm doing right now. But 2 tablespoons typically does it. Add a little bit more. You don't need oil, but I use oil just to make them really crispy. They will crisp up, but not as crispy as they can be with oil. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to remove my gloves and then we'll go to preheating the Ninja Foodi Grill so that we can cook these bad boys. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn on our grill. We're going to air crisp at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. We'll hit start. Make sure you have your air fryer basket in there. And we'll be back when it's done preheating. Alright, so our wings are ready to be added to the grill. Let's open that up. And just make sure that they don't touch each other. To the best of your ability. And these are the larger wings. There's boneless wings that you can fit a lot more, but these are the larger chicken wings here. Let's see. Kind of got to play Tetris. Alright, so we will check on them in 10 minutes. Alright, we're coming up on that 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them. Check on them in about 5 minutes. Okay, so a little bit over the 5-minute mark, but that's okay. I just wanted to come in and check the temperature and see where we're at. see if we need to add thyme, take away, what do we need to do here? Alright, so that's 170, 172, and it's still climbing. But let's go ahead and check another one. 79. It's gotta be safe than sorry, right? Definitely looking done. Oh yeah. Alright, so about 15 minutes. That's not bad actually. I think I already checked that one. Just want to make sure. Okay. So, let's go ahead and bring them out and take a look. Alright, and there we have it. We have our lemon pepper chicken wings done in the Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, look at how good that looks. The lemons were added for the thumbnail. But this is the chicken wings. They look so amazing. Let's go ahead and take a bite into one of them. Oh, they're hot still. Okay. Let's see. Delicious. Delicious. Nice and lemony and peppery. But that is how you make lemon pepper chicken wings in the Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, it's super easy, very little ingredients. This is a chop challenge that my friend suggested to me, so we're trying it out. Just a couple ingredients to make some lemon pepper wings in the household. You guys, they're amazing. Definitely suggest making them. Until next time, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Girl recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Until next time, you guys have a great night.